Hey guys, welcome to my channel Simply Try. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a brightening face pack to remove suntan, dark spots, pimple scars and get clear glowing skin. Let's see the ingredients required for this face pack. Gram flour removes excess oil from the face, fights acne, exfoliates dead skin and removes suntan. Wild turmeric, popularly known as Kasturi turmeric, improves skin tone and overall complexion, reduces acne scars, slows down the growth of facial hair. Honey hydrates your skin, has antioxidant properties that repairs your damaged skin and disappears pimple scars. Aloe vera gel soothes irritated skin, fades blemishes and is a natural moisturizer. Lemon fights acne, lightens dark spots, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Curd treats skin infections, soothes sunburns. To prepare this, take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons gram flour, add 1/4 tablespoon wild turmeric, popularly known as Kasturi turmeric. Add 1/2 tablespoon honey. Add 1/2 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Add 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon curd. If you have dry skin, then add 1 tablespoon milk. Now mix all these ingredients really well. The consistency of this face pack should be like this. Now the face pack is ready to be applied. Apply a thick layer of this pack all over your face and neck with the help of a brush. Leave on for 20 minutes and then rub in circular motion to remove the pack and wash your face completely with water. If you found this video useful, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.